So we left now to configure a NGINX that will redirect the night ports 10 and all that on port 80 and 443, which will be linked to our subdomain with a certificate. So here we go, let's go. So for that, actually, you will have an agents file configuration generator. And here what we will do is that you put your subdomain name, the service you want to generate, the configuration. It will give you all this with the lines of code to copy. So we left for the lines of code. So we're going to install NGINX hop. Then we're going to paste the famous configuration line. I copy the configuration, I paste let's go hop. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to activate the ticket. So here I'm going to do the same thing with suddenly you'd run tac tac tac. So here we're going to create the you'd run hop hop hop. We create the link, and I'm going to do the same thing for post the tac 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 hop hop hop. We create the link. What I do is that I will restart the server. There we will install Certbot for the automatic configuration of certificates, and the famous line of code is this one we will do for all our subdomains. At the beginning he puts as an email address is normal, hop there. If our configuration is well done, he will validate it. So don't forget to open your ports and don't forget to redirect your subdomains there to your IP address. There we are waiting for a little one. It's a little bit long here, so there we do. He will do the certificate. So as you can see at that moment, I have an error and I don't really know why. And in fact, it's all stupid. I had to restart my internet box hop there. You'll see it's very fast. We deployed successfully. Then I'm going to do it for the pull rent. And now we're going to do it for the N18 and voila. So now we will find ourselves on Ben by relaunching the services and how we go to the configuration of N18.